I'm Sarah Peterson, and today I want to tell you everything you need to know about how to grow your hair. And sometimes during this video, I will be announcing the winner of this week's Chebe contest and also giving you the instruction of next week. And this will also be the last one, so the last giveaway I will be hosting on the authentic Chebe powder from Chad. So it's your last chance to enter and win. Alright, so on hair, what is important to know is there are 3 phases on hair growth. So the names are anagen, catagen, and telogen. So those are just very complicated scientific terms to say first part is that your hair is growing, then second phase is it's resting, and then it falls and the cycle restarts again. And there are definitely ways for you to maximize each one of those phases, which together last about 3 years. And if you remember last week, in my last week's video, we saw that we have 2 parts of the hair. We have the follicle and the shaft, and the growth happens at the follicle. And we have about 100 to 150,000 follicles on the head. And each one of those follicles independently follow those 3 phases, which is great, because imagine if they were all coordinated, then we will lose all the hair that we have all at once and you become bald. And it's also interesting to know that the hair has about 3 years, as I mentioned, but for our eyebrows, it's much shorter. So eyebrows have a few months and they fall, otherwise we'll have like really long eyebrows. So yeah, and same for all kind of other hairs we have, our eyelashes and other body parts hair that we have. Alright, so then you have those 3 phases, and how can you maximize the growth that you have on your head? So the way to maximize the growth is to, when your hair is still at the growing phase, to really nourish it from the scalp. So at the base, and massages help, and castor oil is great. And anything with arginine is amazing because it really helps with microcirculation. And also in Chad, we also use garlic to put it on the scalp, and it's really great. If you can stand the smell, you could do that. You infuse oil and garlic, and it really helps with hair growth. Onion is great too because it's rich in sulfur and will really activate that microcirculation. So if you're courageous, you could try that. And for the hair length itself, that's where Chebe comes into place, and it's fantastic to help you extend the length of this hair. Of course, there are also other elements that come into play depending on your gender, your race. We're not all equal in terms of how fast your hair grows and how long you can keep it, but there are definitely ways to help it. And yeah, and now the moment we're waiting for, the winner of this week's Chebe contest is, drumroll please,
Josiane Ramon.
Congratulations! Please send an email to petersonsarah@gmail.com with your full name, address, and contact detail, and I will be shipping you your Chebe powder. And for those of you who still want to try your chance, it's the last one. So follow the instructions, listen carefully. So there are 3 conditions. You have to be at least 18 years old, resident of any country, and number 3, you have to follow the instruction. They will be in the description. And remember, the more you play, the more you win. So invite all your friends, colleagues, everyone, family member who would be interested. Remember to follow me also on social. This will all increase your chances. And if you have any questions, of course, you can shoot me directly an email or leave me a comment here, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Alright, if you're enjoying those videos, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, put the notification on. You can also follow me on Instagram at Sarah Peterson. I also have a Facebook page, Pinterest, and Twitter. And good luck, and I will see you soon. Bye!